Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password within the Shein application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. After entering your email address, within the password screen, you will see the Forgot Your Password option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you will be asked to confirm your email address. Tap on the submit button, and you will be asked to check your inbox. Now go ahead and check your inbox, and you will find an email from Shein. Open this email, and you will see a button which says reset password. Go ahead and tap on this button, and now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password within the new password box, and then enter this new password once again within the confirm password box in order to confirm it. You can then tap on the save button, and now your password will be reset successfully. You can now go back to the Shein application and then tap on return to sign in, within which you can enter your newly set password for your account, and then tap on the sign in button to log in to your Shein app once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.